It don't stop, man. I'm about to swap out this battery. The battery is good, but I'm not gonna keep playing with it. Swap out the battery, and then time to take this alternator off because the battery charging system came on. So if you guys have a battery charging system, most likely it's gonna be your alternator. In my case, that battery turned out good. The alternator is actually buzzing. Remember last week, the heater core was tripping. That little piece right there popped off and bust. So I thought maybe, when the car basically damn near died on me. So when the car died, I thought maybe the alternator just was tripping. Long story short, the alternator wasn't tripping, it's messed up, or it is tripping in that case. So I'm about to just take the belt off, swap out the alternator, put the new alternator on. As you guys can see, I'm at Vato Zone, fixing the car again on the spot, and let's get it done, man. So for those of you that's wondering, the light came on about a week ago, and like I said, the heater hose bust, all the coolant came out of the car, and this and that, and the car kind of was like went into limp mode, so I had to pull over, and every light possible was on. So I thought maybe that did something to the alternator, so I unplugged the battery, waited for like 2 minutes, plugged it back up, the alternator light was off. But I noticed today the alternator was making like a buzzing noise when it was like zzz, and I was like, nah, let me change this mess. So I'm about to get another one now, and so I got to do the heater hose, fix that, the alternator, about to fix this. I'm going to go change the battery just because, not today. I'm going to Walmart get my battery. And I need to replace that motor mount right there because it's broke. And if you look at it, it's a brand new motor mount. I just replaced it maybe 6 months ago. A little 5.3 making power, P-O-W-A, power. So when you get your battery, your alternator, make sure it has the same connector, which this one has the same connector. This one just newer. This one is old. I don't feel like I have to record this part. I'm sure you guys probably already know how to swap an alternator, but for those of you guys that don't, all you're gonna need is a 15 to take the pressure off the tensioner, to take the belt off. These two bolts, there's gonna be one here. There's gonna be another one right there. There's also gonna be a 15. Right here, you're gonna need a 10 millimeter. Same on your positive side of the battery, it's gonna be a 10 millimeter. Make sure you put your rubber boot over it, and make sure that your alternator connector, your harness connector, is pressed all the way in, and I'll show you the finished product. You ain't never had a man pull up on you and do what I do. That's my song right there. That's all I was just listening to. So I got the rubber boot on there. Got the connector inside. And here's the two bolts for the alternator I was telling you about. And then this one right here, for those of you that don't know how to change the alternator, shame on you. No, I'm just joking. But so when you press down on this here, you see the belt moves, and all you got to do is pull up here and then just move the belt out and it'll come out. Same thing, push here just to push the belt back on, and plug the battery up and see what we got here. So if you had a check engine light on and you unplugged your battery and all that, obviously the check engine light now is going to be on, and then that's the lights right there. Let me turn it off and turn it back on. Close this door real quick so y'all can get a little bit of darkness. Oops. Sorry about that. So look right here. This is where the battery light gonna be. So that's the light right there that actually came on. Basically saying there was something wrong with the system. I don't know why these damn things always want to do that blinking crap. Just got that oil change done too. Oh, she's still a baby. See if I can get this to work for y'all. Basically, I'm just start it up real quick. No check engine light is not going to be on, but normally I do have a check engine light on for the stupid gas tank. Basically the light is off. The seatbelt light. Yeah, so normally the check engine light is on because I was filling up gas one day at Costco, and Costco has real high pressure. They said their system is like the pressure from the pump or whatever, the fuel is high pressure, and I was filling the gas up and I heard pop. I'm like, what the hell is that? And I just heard gas spilling everywhere. So I replaced the sensor, put a new sensor on, and took my ass back to Costco, and it popped again. And ever since then, the damn check engine light been, it'll go on and then it'll go off. It's saying like an evap leak or something like that, and it's not even leaking. So whatever. But I hope this video helped you guys out. Quick, easy way to fix your alternator right there on the spot at VatoZone. And they were so friendly, they let me use a few of their tools. So like, subscribe, share, and comment, and get your paper, dog. Ooh-wee. Before I head back in, these are the two tools. These are the only tools that you need. This is the only tools I use for this job. It's supposed to be a 15, but whatever. It's a spark plug socket. That's all they had. This is for this 15/spark plug socket. This is for the tensioner, the belt tensioner, and the 2 bolts for the alternator. This 10mm right here is for the battery and the little post on the back of the alternator. That's pretty much it, man. That's all. These are the only 2 tools I used. And I found this rag underneath the hood, so I use that to wipe my hands. So I'll show you guys the receipt as well. It was $181. Edit this part out. So it was $181 before taxes, and then it dropped down to $169 because it's $11 core charge. And I mean, it's an expensive ass job, but whatever. That's pretty much it, man. I got $10 to go fill the tank up. Oh wait.